Huh?
YouTuber or what?
YouTuber. Yeah. I'm looking around. Yeah, tawar. That's beautiful people. How are you, brother? Barka king. You like Barka king? This is someone that looks like me from Saudi. Elisha. Are you listening to the reggae music? Kenya. In Kenya? The same thing. These are the Afro-Saudi. Yeah. They are happy to see one of their brothers from Africa. So what's your name? Raja. Oh, nice to meet you, Raja. Raji. And you? What's your name? Malik. Majid. And you? Abdallah. Oh. So I've met 3 brothers from Saudi. Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah. Elisha. Yeah, Elisha. Bye. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye. Amazing to see my people that looks exactly like me. They are Saudis. Even in Saudi, we have people from. It's a multiracial country. Yeah, a beautiful country that everyone calls home. You know. Yeah. I know most of you didn't know that, but in Saudi also, we have the Afro-Saudi. Yeah. People from the African descent. So we'll find our way out, guys. The beauty of this place is that the signage, you cannot get confused of where to go because of the signage are very clear.